Magandang buhay! Hi guys! For today's video, i-unbox natin ng Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G at i-review na rin natin ang phone na ito. Ano nga ba ang meron sa flipping phone na ito? Actually, matagal ko ng pangarap ito at sobrang kinikilig ako nung nakuha ko. Well, this Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G will change the way you think of how cool the smartphone can be. Before we dig deeper on what this flipping phone can give, let's talk about the prices. So in the Philippines, ang price ng 128GB storage plus 8GB RAM ay 52,990 habang ang 256GB storage naman ay 56,990. It has 4 colors. So we have Phantom Black, Green, Lavender, and of course, ang hawak natin ngayon na cream color. Last year lamang lumabas ang phone na ito at may kamahalan talaga. Tingnan natin ngayon kung ano naman ang meron sa phone na ito. It has quick start guide, data cable C2C, and injection pin. This phone has armor aluminum frame and hinge. It has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. On the front cover, it has dual camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, and 12MP wide-angle camera. It also has 10MP front camera. And once you open this phone, it has 6.7 Infinity Flex display, dynamic AMOLED 2x ultra-thin glass. The cover screen has 1.9 inches Super AMOLED display. It has 3,300 mAh battery, and I like this phone because we can see some basic tasks on the cover screen that we can do on a daily basis. We can see some of the widgets like music, weather, today's schedule, next alarm, timer, calendar, direct dial, and the clock. Pwede rin maglagay ng pattern for the phone safety and finger scanner. So, ang pinakamaganda dito, yung clock niya, pwede mong lagyan ng design. Makikita naman sa side ang power button at volume button nito. So, ayan. Tinatry ko. Naglagay na ako ng finger pattern. Ayan. And, super I love this phone at masasabi kong deserve ko talaga to. Matagal ko na siyang parang ngarap at ngayon ko lang talaga siya nakuha. So, sa mga bibili ng Samsung, so I recommend this Samsung Flip 3. And ang latest po ngayon ay Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Meron na rin 4. So, yung 5, maganda rin yon at yun ay medyo may kamahalan din talaga. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!